Now, guys, if we look at it really, it's always a 50-50 chance of getting the trade right. Either we enter a buy trade and we'll hit take profit, or we'll enter a sell trade and we'll hit take profit. But how do we increase the chances? How do we increase our accuracy of our trades? Now, basically, the main thing that we use is the range bars. So we'll use the range bars to determine whether we're entering a long position or a short position. But now, the one thing to realize is that we can actually add layers to the strategy. Now, how do we add layers? So, if, for example, we look here, we're looking at the super trend indicator. Now, the super trend indicator shows us which way the overall trend is moving. Now, we can see we're obviously in an uptrend, but in this uptrend, it's actually a perfect example right here. We have these what are called pullbacks. So, now obviously, we've started an uptrend, but let's say we missed the entry on this uptrend. The market will always give us these pullbacks, and on these pullbacks we can get in better entries, second entries, multiple entries. Now, how do we do it? So over here on the range bars, we would see, for example, okay, we're on the way up, so we can see we're in an uptrend, and even though the super trend is green, we might start to have a pullback here on the range bars. Now that will give us a great entry for a potential long position. So over here, if we start to come back down and the super trend is still green, we can look at it as a pullback and enter a long position. And the opposite is also true. So if the super trend is red, for example, right here, we can see the super trend was red. We came down quite a bit, but then the market gave us a very nice big pullback. Now on the range bars, we would have seen it as an uptrend, but we know that overall the market is coming down because of the super trend. So we would be entering a short position here, and we could have ridden that down all the way to here, and that would have been a profitable trade. So it's always important to add layers to the strategy to increase the chances of having a successful trade.